Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and to those who have watched and liked my last video that I did of the unboxing of the unicorn bag that I got from the Chanel 22P collection. Thank you so much for liking the video, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And as mentioned in the video, I also have another item that I got from the Chanel 22P collection, and today we'll be revealing this item together. Let's go ahead to unbox this together. Okay. Here we go. Oops. If you can tell from the box, it's actually footwear. Open this up. There is a care card over here. And 2 dust bags with the Chanel word on it. Let's put this aside. There we go! These are what I've got! Isn't it classy? It's in black lambskin leather, really soft and cushiony feeling, and it also comes in this antique yellow gold hardware, which I really love about this collection. I like this classy contrast of the yellow gold and the black lambskin leather. This height, it's about 6 centimeters tall, and it's also got this lambskin leather wrapped around the heels, which makes it really classy and clean, and I think it's really simple to dress up. I'll put it on to show you how it looks like later. Underneath is all white and smooth. So what I usually do is I'll bring this to the cobbler and get them to put an undersole. What I've been using is this brand called Vibram, which costs about $50 for a pair, and it's really worth the investment because what it does is that it enhances the grip as well as the longevity of this pair of shoes. I'm a size 36, and when I first saw this pair of shoes, they didn't have it in my size because 36 is a very common size and they usually just carry 1 or 2 pairs per size. So I put my name on the list, and my SA called me in about 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, so when I picked this up, I also saw that they had it in a few other very pretty summer colors. They have it in the baby blue, baby pink, as well as yellow and white. So if you have a chance, go and check out these pair of heels. I really recommend it because they are so comfortable and so squishy. And yeah, let me put them on for you and show you how they look on me. So this is how they look on me. I'm 160 centimeters tall, and this pair of heels, they are 6 cm high. Not too tall. I feel like it's a really comfortable height, and that I can probably walk in them for a long time without feeling too tired. I also have on my Chanel Classic mini flap in lambskin, just to show you how similar both materials look. And I think they look great together, don't you think? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up, and also do let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this Chanel 22P collection. And if you have any questions at all about this video today, do let me know as well. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye!